What's your name?
My name's Jacob.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Where do you come from?
I come from London.
What is your surname?
Brown.
What is your family name?
My family name is Brown.
What's your first name?
My first name is John.
What's your address?
I stay at 13 United Street.
Where do you live?
I live in England.
What's your telephone number?
My number is 845676.
What's your email address?
You can email me at john@gmail.com.
How old are you?
38.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 2074 in London.
What's your marital status?
I'm married.
What do you do, or what's your job?
I'm an English teacher.
Where did you go?
I went shopping with a friend.
What did you buy?
We bought some new clothes on sale.
Where were you?
I was in London for the weekend.
Have you got a house?
No, I live in a flat.
Have you got any children?
Yes, I've got 3 children.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play tennis.
Can you speak English?
No, I can't speak Chinese.
Have you got something bigger?
Certainly, we've got larger sizes as well.
How do you feel about Clara?
Clara is quite friendly and helpful.
How was the movie?
It was very interesting.
Is it difficult to prepare for IELTS?
It's not if you're practice well.
What do you think about this book?
I think the book is very interesting.
Would you like something to drink?
Thank you. Could I have a cup of coffee and some?
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, thank you. I'd like some coffee.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like a burger, chips, and soda.
What does she look like?
She's tall and slim, with blonde hair.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like playing cricket.
Are there any sandwiches?
No, there aren't any sandwiches left.
Is there any rice?
Yes, there's a lot of rice left.
Where is the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is on United Street.
May I open the window?
Certainly, it's very hot in the office today.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly, we accept all the major cards.
How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by cash.
How much does it cost? How much is it?
This shirt is for $50.
Have you got something bigger?
Certainly, we've got larger sizes as well.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the changing rooms are over there.
May I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater.
How do you do?
Pleased to meet you.
Could you speak English when you were 5 years old?
Yes, I could speak English when I was 5 years old.